This is the Peter Channel Blizzard of 2015 5 p.m. update. Good evening, everybody. I'm Peter Wiggins here, and here is your 5 p.m. update. Here, the latest on the Blizzard here of 2015. Blizzard warning until 8 p.m. for Eastern and Massachusetts and some in Worcester County in Massachusetts, Cape Cod, Martha's Vineyard, Rhode Island, Southern New Hampshire, and Maine. Winter storm warning for Nantucket County, Northern Worcester County, Western Massachusetts, Connecticut, Vermont, Western New Hampshire, Central and Northern New Hampshire. Snow band will continue 1 to 2 hours of snowfall rates. Some could be heavy at times. I believe the snow tapered tonight. Travel ban lifted for Hampshire, Franklin, and Hampton and Berkshire counties in Massachusetts. Interstate 90 Mass Pike still closed. Travel ban still intact for Eastern and Central Massachusetts and Rhode Island. MTA service still closed. Amtrak service closed from Boston and New York, and now will be running limited service between Boston and New York tomorrow. Here, regional transit service closed around the region. Most schools closed for the second day in a row around the region, including here and not near. A coastal flood warning until 8 p.m. because the high tide's at 5 p.m. here. Newbury Port surge 2 to 9. 2.9 feet. Seas 15 to 23 feet. It's a moderate surge. Sandwich surge 4.5 feet. Waves 18 to 26 feet. And moderate and major coastal flooding. And Situate surge 3 to 5 feet. Waves 22 to 29 feet. And major evacuations are underway. And amount so far, Lunenburg, Massachusetts, 33 inches. Towson, Connecticut, 30 inches. Hudson, New Hampshire, 27.5 inches. West Gloucester, Rhode Island, 24.4 inches. Near Lewiston, Maine, 21 inches. Auburn, Massachusetts, 32.5 inches. Worcester, Massachusetts, 31 inches. Fitchburg, Massachusetts, 30 inches. Northborough, Mass, 27 degrees, 27 inches. Douglas, Massachusetts, 24 inches. Framingham, Massachusetts, 30 inches. Westford, Massachusetts, 30 inches. Tingsbury, Massachusetts, 29 inches. And Lowell, Massachusetts, 28 inches here. And visibility is still low in the Cape, and everything started to slowly weaken by tonight for the storm from west to east, and wind chill readings now below 0 to single digits around the region. Some more snow totals this time from Rhode Island. Burrville at 23 inches. North Cumberland, Rhode Island at 18 inches. North Providence, Rhode Island at 16 inches. Middletown, Rhode Island at 16 inches. Hopkinton, Rhode Island at 14.5 inches. And North Kingstown at 12.2 inches. Wind gusts so far, 37 miles per hour for Boston. Marshfield's at 45 miles per hour. And same goes for Chatham at 45 miles per hour. Falmouth at 39 miles per hour. Providence, Rhode Island at 26 miles per hour here. Taunton, Massachusetts at 28 miles per hour. New Bedford at 27 miles per hour. Worcester, Massachusetts at 29 miles per hour. Springfield, Massachusetts at 36 miles per hour. Portsmouth, New Hampshire at 52 miles per hour. And Portland, Maine, 35 miles per hour. And Concord, New Hampshire, 31 miles per hour. And Manchester, New Hampshire, 24 miles per hour. And Nashua, New Hampshire at 24 miles per hour here. Okay, take a look at the highways here. And highways remain impassable here. Highways are still slow, but the travel ban is still on in central and eastern Massachusetts. Travel ban's been lifted in western Massachusetts, except for the Mass Pike, which is closed from the New York State border all the way down through Logan Airport here. Except for essential personnel only, such as medical personnel, emergency and public works personnel, power crews, medical personnel, and all sorts of essential people who are working to make sure you're safe. Non-essential people have to stay in their homes, be cozy, and safe. Alright, take a look at our current conditions man here in North Massachusetts. 19 degrees, that's touch overcast at A's. Humidity 68%. Wind speed north about 17, gusting to 30 miles per hour. Barometer 29.49 inches. Dew point about 10 degrees. Visibility of 6 miles and a wind chill about 4 degrees. Current conditions man region here. It is 18 degrees in Boston, 19 in Pittsburgh, 17 in Bedford and Haverhill, and Beverly, 19 in Gloucester, 13 in Worcester, 16 in Sturbridge, 17 in Worcester, 20 out in Milford, 18 in Norwood and Taunton and Bedford, it's 21 in Plymouth, 18 in Falmouth, 22 in Chatham, 18 in Martha's Vineyard, it's 16 in Smithfield around Providence, but down there it is 11 in Tortuga Springs, 12 in Albany, New York, 26 in New York City, 23 in Montauk, it's 20 in New Haven, 22 in Hartford, it's 21 out in Springfield, it's 18 in Northampton, Massachusetts, 19 in Greenfield, Massachusetts, a pair of 9s around Pittsfield and Northampton, Massachusetts, it's 3 above in Bennington, 12 above in Bradford, Vermont, it's 12 above in Lebanon, New Hampshire, 14 in Keene, New Hampshire, 16 in Concord, New Hampshire, 18 in Laconia, New Hampshire, 17 in Manchester, New Hampshire, 18 in Nashville, New Hampshire, and 18 in Portsmouth, New Hampshire, and 15 up in Portland, Maine. Here, okay, let us take a look at the latest radar situation at 5 o'clock here, as we're hearing the snow plows outside, as we're seeing some snow still around eastern Massachusetts, around 7 Hampshire up in the Maine, and stretching all Rhode Island there, and coming to much of the Cape Day Islands there, and North Carolina snow from southern Vermont, stretching to down through west central Massachusetts from 91 quarter from Greenfield down for Amherst, down for Springfield, down for Hartford, and around Milton and Connecticut here, and some stretch around eastern Connecticut here, but 2 lows in the action, one from west central New Hampshire, and then west to Worcester, and up and around 395 from Putnam, down to Norwich here, and west central portions of Rhode Island there, and along from New Bedford, stretching it down for the Bristol County, down for Taunton, Norton, up in the Norfolk County, up in the Boston here, and seeing some sleet and a mix off the Cape Downs behind the snowstorm here, and we're gonna, and it's snowing around Albany, New York here, and take a look at our futurecast here. Shows the snow between the hours of 5 and 9 p.m. We'll be out of here, and 11 p.m. still snowing up in the North Shore of Massachusetts, and up for southeastern New Hampshire, and up in the Maine here, and then snow will be lingering, and then moving out of here by about 4 o'clock in the morning here, and the Cape Downs could see a few ocean effect snow showers here, but clearing for much of the region on Wednesday here, and we are still under a blizzard warning in effect here in eastern Massachusetts, including North Massachusetts, until 8 p.m. As blizzard across eastern New England Wednesday and this evening, blizzard warnings remain in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Locations eastern and southeastern Massachusetts, as well as all Rhode Island. This includes the cities and towns of Framingham, Lowell, Lawrence, Foxborough, Norwood, Cambridge, Boston, Quincy, Taunton, Brockton, Plymouth, Fall River, New Bedford, Mattapoisett, Foster, Smithfield, Providence, Western Greenwich, Warwick, Bristol, Narragansett, Westerly, Newport, and Block Island. Hazard types: blizzard winds and this evening, and accumulations 18 and 24 inches with localized 30-inch amounts. At times, moderate to heavy snow bands will come to an end from west to east this evening, and scattered snow showers may persist well only the overnight hours. But any additional accumulations up to 8 p.m. will be less than an inch here. Impacts: heavy snow and strong winds will result in wet blizzard conditions with near zero visibility at times. Travel will be very difficult across the entire region, and winds, normally wind gusts of 25 to 40 miles per hour, will result in blown and drifting snow early this evening, and winds gradually diminish after sunset. Visibility is 1/4 mile or less at times, and precaution for various actions. A blizzard warning is issued when sustained winds are frequent gusts of 35 miles per hour or over are expected with considerable falling and blown and drifting snow. Visibilities will become poor with whiteout conditions at times, and those venturing in outdoors may become lost or disoriented, so persons in a warned area may not be advised to stay indoors. All unnecessary travel is discouraged. This is a serious life-threatening storm. And day 1 tonight, blizzard warning is day 2 for 7. Wednesday for Monday, Thursday night and Friday, accumulating snow is possible with another low-pressure system, but anticipated light accumulations at the time. And Friday night, wind chills north of the Massachusetts Turnpike may reach 15 degrees below zero. If so, wind chill fires may be needed here. And spotter information statement: weather spotters are encouraged to report significant weather conditions on Okay, let us take a look Forecast discussion here at 4:21 p.m. The blizzard winds down this evening across eastern New England, over then a few ocean effect snow showers on Wednesday across the Cape and Nantucket. It'll be dry and cold for the west of the region until the cleanup begins. Plain low pressure wobbling another cold chance for snow Thursday night and Friday. Dry but very cold air looks to fall the weekend, and the third storm may be affect the region Sunday night and Monday. Near term until 6 a.m. Wednesday morning. Blizzard winds down this evening across eastern New England. Winds gradually diminish across the Cape and Islands tonight, and dry and cold weather except lingering snow showers Cape and Nantucket. 4 p.m. update here on the blizzard here. Vertically stacked system and travel structure was allowing deformation access as snow to build and continue across eastern Massachusetts and down, especially Plymouth and Barnstable counties, where it was locally heavy, and the powerful storm will continue to slowly lift to the northeast and allowing bulk of accumulated snow and across eastern Massachusetts and down between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m., but will last a few hours longer across the Cape and Islands. Low temperatures will be ranging from the single digits to the low teens across much of the region, and this will result in a wind chill balance between 0 and 10 below zero. Cape and Islands, as mentioned in the previous paragraph, improvement will be slowest across the Cape and Islands. Northerly wind gusts between 40 and 60 miles per hour across this region will gradually diminish tonight as storm slowly moves to the northeast. Steady snow should end across the Cape and Islands by late evening, but there should affect snow showers with northwest winds will persist in the overnight hours. In addition, considerable blowing and drifting snow will continue to affect the not really settling and reduce visibility and hazardous travel here. Okay, take a look at forecast goes like this. For tonight, snow showers with areas of blowing snow before 10 p.m., then a chance of snow showers between 10 p.m. and 3 a.m., then a slight chance of snow showers after 3 a.m., low around 9 degrees, and wind chill fails as low as 2 below zero, and northwest wind around 8 to 15 miles per gust, 34 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 8%, and new snow accumulation of 1 to 3 inches possible. For Wednesday, most of the skies got high about 23 degrees. Wind chill values as low as 1 below zero. Northwest wind about 8 miles per gust, 28 miles per hour. Why is that? Most of the clear skies low around 5 degrees, and northwest wind about 3 to 7 miles per hour for Thursday. South skies about 30 degrees on light variable wind. Thursday night, snow likely may after 1 a.m. Cloud skies low about 23 degrees, and chance of precipitation 6%. Friday, snow likely may before 9 a.m. and cloud skies have about 34 degrees, and chance of precipitation is 60%. Friday, most of the clouds skies low about 7 degrees. Saturday, most of the sun got about 19 degrees. Saturday night, most of the coast got low about 6 degrees. Sunday, most of the sun got about 24 degrees. Saturday night, a chance of snow, most of the clouds got low about 15 degrees, and chance of precipitation is 40%. Monday, a chance of snow, most of the clouds got about 31 degrees, and chance of precipitation is 50%. By that, most of the clouds got low around 7 degrees, and for Tuesday, most of the sun got about 18 degrees. Peter's weather phase of the day, of the evening. Blizzard is winding down. Here was you have a good evening with good passage to see you for either an 8 o'clock report or a late night 11 o'clock report. Have a good evening. Stay safe.